Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most important and heart-wrenching topics of our time, endangered animals. The world is home to countless amazing creatures, but unfortunately many of them are rapidly disappearing due to habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. In this video, we're going to take a look at the top 10 endangered land animals in the world. These animals are not just fascinating, they're critical to the health of our ecosystems. So, let's get started. Let's kick things off with a species that's critically endangered and native to one of the most biodiverse regions in the world, the Javan rhino. The Javan rhino, Rhinoceros sondicus, is one of the rarest large mammals on Earth. With fewer than 75 individuals left in the wild, this magnificent creature only exists in one place, Ujung Kulon National Park in Indonesia. Unlike the more famous African rhinos, Javan rhinos are smaller, with smooth skin and a solitary lifestyle. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem by helping to maintain healthy vegetation and supporting biodiversity. But sadly, their numbers have been decimated due to poaching and habitat destruction. This brings us to an important point. The destruction of habitats is one of the biggest threats to these endangered animals. Protecting their homes is as critical as protecting the animals themselves. Now let's move to the open savannas of Africa, where another iconic species is endangered, the African wild dog. The African wild dog, Lycaon pictus, also known as the painted wolf, is a highly social animal known for its unique coat pattern and cooperative hunting skills. Sadly, they're endangered with fewer than 6,000 left in the wild. They face many challenges, from habitat fragmentation to human-wildlife conflict, and even diseases like rabies and distemper from domestic dogs. These wild dogs are incredible hunters and play a vital role in keeping their ecosystem healthy by controlling populations of smaller herbivores, which prevents overgrazing and promotes biodiversity. Their survival is heavily dependent on protecting their habitats, and we can all do our part by supporting conservation efforts that promote coexistence between humans and wildlife. Next up is an animal that has been part of the Himalayan ecosystem for centuries but is now in danger of disappearing from the wild, the snow leopard. Snow leopards, also known as Panthera uncea, are known for their beautiful, thick fur and elusive behavior. These solitary cats are found in the mountainous regions of Central Asia, but they are vulnerable, with only around 4,000 to 6,000 individuals remaining. As apex predators, they help regulate the populations of herbivores like blue sheep and ibex. Sadly, snow leopards face the dangers of poaching for their fur, bones, and meat, as well as habitat loss from human activities. As the climate changes, the snow leopard's mountain habitat shrinks, and this iconic cat is increasingly pushed into conflict with human settlements. Protecting these majestic animals requires not only preserving their natural habitats, but also ensuring that local communities can thrive alongside them. Now let's talk about an animal that's close to our hearts, the Sumatran orangutan. Sumatran orangutans, Pongo abelii, are critically endangered, with only about 14,000 individuals remaining in the wild. These incredible creatures are intelligent, social, and vital to the health of their tropical rainforest home. Unfortunately, they're being driven to the brink by deforestation, illegal palm oil plantations, and poaching. Sumatran orangutans help maintain the balance of their ecosystem by dispersing seeds, which helps the forest regenerate. Without them, entire forests would struggle to thrive. By supporting sustainable palm oil and advocating for stronger protections for rainforests, we can help preserve the habitat of the Sumatran orangutan and all the species that rely on these forests. Next, let's talk about a true giant of the African continent, the African elephant. The African elephant, Loxodonta africana, is the largest land animal on Earth. But sadly, these incredible creatures are facing a declining population due to poaching for their tusks and the loss of their natural habitat. Elephants are keystone species, meaning they play a crucial role in maintaining the structure of their ecosystem. They help maintain open savanna by uprooting trees, allowing grasslands to thrive, and their migration patterns create paths that other animals use. Conservation efforts are essential to protect elephants from the ongoing threat of poaching and human-wildlife conflict. It's up to us to take action to ensure these majestic creatures don't vanish from the wild. Let's move on to another iconic species, the giant panda, found only in the mountain ranges of central China. Once thought to be on the brink of extinction, the giant panda, or Ailuropoda melanoleuca, has made a remarkable recovery thanks to conservation efforts. But despite their current vulnerable status, pandas still face threats from habitat loss and fragmentation. These cuddly giants are crucial for their ecosystems, helping to maintain healthy bamboo forests. As their bamboo forest home continues to shrink, it's more important than ever to support habitat restoration efforts and sustainable land management practices to ensure pandas and other species have a future. Now let's talk about a creature whose name is synonymous with danger, the jaguars of Central and South America. Jaguars, or Panthera onca, are the largest big cats in the Americas, and these powerful hunters help control populations of smaller animals in their dense jungle homes. But like many of the species on this list, jaguars are at risk. With deforestation, illegal hunting, and poaching pushing them to the brink, jaguars are classified as near threatened. Without strong protections and sustainable land use, jaguars will continue to face a future of shrinking habitats. Protecting them means protecting the entire ecosystem they inhabit. Another majestic species in danger is the cheetah, the fastest land animal on Earth. Cheetahs, Acinonyx jubatus, have incredibly specialized bodies built for speed, but this doesn't protect them from the dangers of habitat loss and human-wildlife conflict. With fewer than 7,000 cheetahs left in the wild, conservationists are working hard to preserve these sleek hunters' habitats and reduce the human-wildlife conflicts that threaten them. Last but certainly not least, we have the Bornean pygmy elephant. These smaller elephants, found only in the rainforests of Borneo, are facing a dangerous decline due to illegal logging, habitat destruction, and human-wildlife conflict. With fewer than 1,500 individuals left, the future of the Bornean pygmy elephant looks uncertain. Protecting these elephants means protecting the fragile rainforest ecosystem they inhabit. So, what can we do to help? Protecting these animals and their habitats is crucial to maintaining biodiversity and the health of our planet. You can make a difference by supporting wildlife conservation organizations, reducing your environmental footprint, and spreading awareness about the importance of wildlife preservation. Every small action counts, and together, we can ensure a future where these incredible animals continue to thrive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content on how you can make a positive impact on the world around you. Thanks for watching, and remember, the wild needs our help, and it's up to us to protect it.